Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a double unboxing, and it's going to be one handbag and one pair of shoes, both pretty affordable, so hopefully you'll enjoy. Now, before I show you the handbag, I want you to guess what color it is, because this time it's not a neutral, and it's actually a color that I have been gushing about for so long, and I'm finally scratching that itch. I'm checking that box, so if you've been here before, I think you'll know, but comment down below and try to guess what color the handbag is, especially if you watched my last video where I did a shopping vlog at Saks off 5th, which is the designer outlet version of Saks Fifth Avenue. You may have caught a glimpse of me checking these out, and so you might have guessed that I purchased one, but without further ado, let me show you. Dun, 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 dun. This cutie here. Yes, it's pink. It's finally a pink one. Yeah, I wanted pink so badly, but pink is a novelty color for me when it comes to my wardrobe because, as I said, I really love my neutrals and it just fits my style and lifestyle better. So if I got a really expensive pink bag, like maybe a pink Chanel classic flap, I know that I would instantly regret it because I wouldn't be able to use it very much because I just know I have a hard time getting color into my rotation. But this one here, it was really affordable, and Longchamp is generally affordable. So I picked it up for $109.99. It says here the original price was $140, so it's a 21% markdown, but either way, even at the price of $140, I feel like it's a great deal for Longchamp. You guys may remember, if you have a really good memory, that I used to own one of these in red. It was actually a gift that I received a number of years ago, and I didn't really like it. I don't know what about I didn't like it, but it had red, and then here it had the classic brown leather, and I don't know, I think the red and the brown, I felt like it kind of clashed. And then more importantly, the handles on that version were really short, so it was that top handle version. And I really like these handles here. They're so generous. I can wear this on my shoulder and it feels really comfortable. I tested it out. So yeah, we all know how the Longchamp Le Pliage totes look. Classic. This is the small size, so I brought my tape measure. I'll measure it for you guys. Oh, I love the white contrast, so it's like a really simple, clean look with all pink, including the leather, and then it just has a little bit of white on the snap, over here on the logo, and even on the handles here. The glazing is all white, so I don't know, it just looks very clean and sort of minimalist, and you guys know I like that. So yeah, let me open it up. And obviously it's very much packable because of the way it folds. So since I'll be traveling soon, I might bring this with me as an extra kind of carry-on. But it just opens up like that. The inside is white. And if you saw my last video, you know that there were other colors that were really pretty, like a lemony yellow. There was also like a light aqua blue. There was a fruit punch color. But this one really just jumped out at me. Here's one slip pocket. Here's some of the paperwork. And I brought some books here with me because I'm definitely going to use this as a bag for my library runs because I love going to the library. I think you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with reading. It's one of my favorite hobbies besides YouTube. So I just brought some of the books that I've been reading lately. So I'll take the biggest one. This one here. It's a compilation of short stories. It's a really big, heavy book, but I noticed that when I lay it down on the bottom, actually fits really nicely, if you can see that. So it's really nice. And then I'll take these other books. This one I'm almost finished reading. So this is going to be a really lightweight, easy, no fuss tote for my library runs, and also just for like quick errands. And it's not heavy because the nylon itself is like pretty much weightless, and I could fit actually plenty more books. I could probably fit at least 2 more and then zip it up. But there you go. I'm going to stand it up and then I will do some quick measurements for you. And then of course I also have the shoes I want to show you. And that, it's funny. I must have been thinking in color that day because, what am I doing? How is this? Okay. Yeah, I think I was just thinking like pops of color because even the shoes are pretty colorful. So you'll see what I mean. But let me grab this here. I think, like I said, this is the small size, and from the top here, which is the widest part, it runs for let me see, it's about 16 inches, maybe 15 inches without the leather tabs at the end. And then this part is important, the handles, because I wanted to be able to carry it on my shoulder. That is, as you can see, about 8 inches. in drop length. And then down here, which is a little bit more narrow, it is about 10 inches. And then the height is also about 10 inches. So you can find the dimensions obviously online, but I just want to do a quick overview for you guys. And then let me pull out the shoes. So these shoes were actually under $100. I didn't get them from Saks off 5th. I got them from Bloomingdale's because I was at Bloomingdale's the same day before I went to the Saks outlet. So it's from a brand called Dolce Vita. And after I got home, I looked it up online, and apparently this is one of their best sellers. Look at the color. I was looking for some fun, colorful sandals, not too expensive, but really comfortable. So I found these. They actually came in pink too, but I didn't really love that shade of pink as much as the shade that's on the Longchamp bag. So this blue, I just thought it was so pretty for like the beach and the pool. It's rubber bottom, so it's, got some of that traction, and yeah, it's really sort of flexible here. It's braided, so it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. And I love this second strap because it kind of holds my foot in. And so there's that extra support. It's not going to slip out. I think I mentioned a while ago that when it comes to sandals, I prefer sandals that have a back or a strap because I like to kind of secure my feet in. So the fact that I bought these means that I really felt secure in these. The foot comes up to here. The second strap comes up to the foot like pretty high. I'll try them on and I'll show you. I'll cut away and I'll show you guys. But how pretty. And they were $75. So I just felt like these two purchases were really fun. And I'm looking forward to spring and summer so I can, get these colors into my wardrobe. But my husband was really happy also when I showed him because, I'm always wearing like black and navy and camel colors and sometimes white, but it's not very often that I wear like pastels and pops of color. So my kids were excited, my daughter in particular, and I'm really excited too. So I just think these are good purchases. I'll link them down below if you're interested, so you don't have to go hunting for them if you want to buy them as well. I'm hoping they're still available. Like I said, these were listed as a bestseller. I did try on also the black version, which was also just as comfortable, and I really liked them a lot. But I was trying to think, black in the summertime. I don't know. I kind of wanted to go with a lighter, more fun color for the summer. So I pushed myself out of my comfort zone and I decided to go for the blue ones instead. And the sales associate was really proud of me because she saw me struggling between the two colors and she was like, you can always wear black, but these are so fun. They're so pretty. And I was like, yeah, that's true. So I'll do a quick cutaway and you can see them on my feet, but I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really quick. 2 quick little unboxings. Let me know what you think down below and I will see you all next time.